TV. The Mughal Emperor Humayun, 1508 to 1556, had a turbulent rise and fall marked by challenges and resilience. He was the eldest son of Babur, the founder of the Mughal Empire, and ascended the throne in 1530 at the age of 22. His power was characterized by both victories and significant setbacks. Rise to power. Humayun inherited a vast but fragile empire that stretched from Kabul to Bengal. He initially faced challenges from regional rulers like Sher Khan, later Sher Shah Suri, who was determined to weaken the Mughal hold on India. Despite early successes, Humayun's power was plagued by internal strife, lack of coordination among his brothers, and his instability to maintain strong alliances. Fall, exile, and loss. The decisive turning point came in 1540 when Humayun was defeated by Sher Shah Suri at the Battle of Kannauj. This defeat forced him to flee India and take refuge in Persia, modern-day Iran. Humayun spent nearly 15 years in exile, during which he faced numerous hardships. However, his time in Persia proved beneficial. He gained Persian military and cultural insights which later influenced the Mughal court. Return to power. In 1555, after the death of Sher Shah Suri and the weakening of Suri dynasty, Humayun saw an opportunity to reclaim his throne. With the help of Persian allies, he launched a successful campaign and re-established Mughal rule in Delhi. This marked his triumphant in return as emperor. Legacy and tragic end. Humayun's reign was short-lived after his return to power. In 1556, he tragically died after falling down the stairs of his library in Delhi. Despite his untimely death, Humayun laid the foundation for the future glory of the Mughal Empire, which flourished under his son Akbar. Humayun's journey exemplifies resilience and the cyclical nature of power. Though his reign faced significant challenges, his eventual comeback demonstrated his determination and strategic acumen. His architectural legacy, such as Humayun's tomb in Delhi, remains a testament to his enduring impact on Indian history.
Please like, share and subscribe. सब्सक्राइब करना हाँ भूलना मत।